Many people think AI can solve all tech problems. But that's not true. AI can help with simple tasks. It struggles with complex issues. For serious computer problems, real experts are better. They can understand your unique situation. AI lacks the personal touch. Building a PC is not just about parts. It requires knowledge and experience. An expert can guide you through the best choices. AI can give you answers, but it can't diagnose problems well. A real person can ask the right questions. They can find the root cause. When you need tech support, don't rely on AI. Experts offer free advice online. They can help you build or fix your PC. In the end, human experience matters more than AI. For reliable help, trust real experts. They understand what you need.